23rd November 2024.
The farmers from Riwar Sepngi area and southwest Khasi Hills district have expressed concern over their livelihood as the price of agricultural products including broom, bay leaves, betel nut, betel leaf and other products continue to decline. In view of the decline in price of agricultural products produced from the area, the farmers of Manat, Maubidong, Pindenlingdo, Lumoba and Pindenso Lang village have expressed their deep sorrow, especially as the price of essential commodities such as rice, sugar, onion, etc. continues to increase day by day. Therefore, they appeal to the state government through the Agriculture Minister to take action and find solutions to the problems.
Bat kador baikit kan poi seki kapsan tengkai seneng. Bat hakabangi dipat yang sensar barang suat terpat kan poi tang kumba katrala ni arpel tengka kumta. Tengis bangi don hakajing dunong ke bakrau hadu kata-kata hakabangi rep kinong rep. Ni kerpat la kumno ya kasokal. Bakadai ban kai kmat lem bani kinong rep jong kan kadang bakat time.
A road accident occurred today morning